Back on the road with my main man, Mr. J.J. Johnson, and he said, come to Ghett'Yo Taco. Ghett'Yo Taco, downtown Chandler, perch right next door. I dig the vibe. We got, Rob, we'll get a little shot over there. We got bags, we got a little fire table, we got some cool kind of decorations around.
It's in the barrio a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit of barrio. You know, JJ knows I'm from the south side of Chicago. He ain't afraid to bring me to the barrio.
No, not at all.
What? Tell me about this place. Why are we here?
So Wally, the owner, just saw like a lack of tacos in downtown Chandler, and he wanted to, basically take it over. And he did a great job. They got burritos, they got tacos, and they incorporated sliders just recently too. So the sliders are really good. There's like a peanut butter and jelly slider, which I think you'll love. And then there's really good pork, like just
like a pulled pork.
Yeah, pulled pork and al pastor and all that good stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So a lack of tacos in Chandler, and the owner said, I'm going to solve that problem. Let's see if they did it. Ghett'Yo Taco. Let's check it out. JJ doesn't know this about me, but it's already bonus points when you have the condiment bar. Big condiment guy. Now we got some hot verde, some hot diablo, the medium roja, and the mild pico. So we got to choose and see which ones we want. Big condiment guy, already about a half a point in my book towards the total because of the condiments. Here we are, Ghett'Yo Taco. Got a little radish on top. Mm-hmm. Got street taco vibes for this one. So I'm gonna do the green. No, I'm gonna do the red on this one. Then we're gonna have a bonus review as well. So JJ, go ahead and take yours.
I'm gonna go Christmas on mine.
All right. Oh, Christmas. For those of you who don't know the Christmas vibes, it's the red and green. I'm trying the radish. Had a little cilantro on there, lovely. I'm gonna go just red. It's pretty filled up. The taco's pretty filled up.
Now this tortilla, I already know it's gonna fall apart.
Really?
If I can just feel it. Oh, maybe not.
Oh no, mine's okay. Mine's not. Yeah, mine feels good.
Taco cheers.
Cheers. Ghett'Yo. We got wild birds. The perch is next door. They literally have wild birds there. I think maybe one got out and it's right here. It's maybe a little bit overstuffed, right? You got stuff falling out, and I don't think you need the radish. Maybe put the radish on the side.
Oh, I love it. I love when stuff falls out of the taco because that's how you know you got your money's worth.
Yeah. It's like makes you feel good, like man, because they are $4.25. So it's on the higher side of the street taco market, right? Let me go first because you've probably ate this before. Just a little bit too much grease in there for me. Now, after a night of boozing, probably love it. Didn't booze last night. A little bit too much grease, but still very, very solid. Hungry in Chandler, looking for tacos. 7-7, all day long. First down on a 3rd and 2. Run the ball, pitch it out, lead blocker. First down, move the chains.
Yeah. Want to get stopped at the one, reach out.
Yeah, reach out. Yeah. Where are you at?
I'm going to go 7-9 then.
7-9. All right, so right on that threshold. So now, JJ said we got to do a bonus review here. Let's toss this one over.
The Holy Grail.
Tell me what the holy moly. What is this?
Cuban CRISIS.
Cuban CRISIS. Holy cow.
That is pork. Very like a
carnitas.
Carnitas, like a cubano in a taco.
Okay, so pickled onions, cilantro, cabbage,
Little mustard. Like a little
mustard.
Like a little mustard. Yeah, just try it. Try the Dijon mustard sauce. That's like the yellow sauce.
Okay, so there's some Dijon mustard sauce. Here's what I could tell you they did. They shredded up the carnitas. They put it on a flat top because that's crunchy right there, and I can tell.
As you'll notice, 2 tortillas.
Whoa. We're getting real.
Yeah.
2 tortillas with the cheese in between.
Because there's so much meat.
Now, when you talk about this one was $5.
Agreed.
You feel $5. I can't even pick the damn thing up. You can't get your mouth around it. All right, let's do this. I've never tasted that flavor in a taco ever before. And it's that mustard sauce.
Yeah.
So it's a Cuban crisis because it reminds you of a Cubano sandwich.
Yeah.
I didn't catch that when you said it. If you're going for extravagant, over the top, in your face, you hit it,
Yeah.
right? It's a designer taco.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a designer.
It's a bougie ass taco.
Right, it's a little bit overstuffed for me, but I know that that's what they were going for. I can't feel like I'm like, ugh.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing that keeps it in the 7s for me.
It's like a signature taco.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 7-9. I like it a little because of the crispiness of the carnitas is the reason why it's a 7-9. You've had it before. What you do put it in the 8s?
Oh
or?
yeah, I put it in the 8s.
Okay.
It's like 8.5 for me.
Yeah, so
yeah, and it's that mustard sauce too.
that mustard sauce
kicks you in the face.
Yeah, and you just don't expect it because visually you don't see it. Like you don't know what you're getting into when you go do it, but
And the cheese. The
yeah,
cheese.
there's a lot of
Yeah.
tortilla, there's a lot of cheese, there's a lot going on. Flavors are good. 7-9. Carne asada, pick them up and put them down, first down. This is elevated date night taco.
Yeah.
We've got to go to this place in Chandler and check
Yeah.
this taco out with mustard sauce. You're in downtown Chandler, give it a stop. Ghett'Yo taco, that's a review.